Welcome back to a brand new vlog of Hungry Mahi, guys. Hope you all doing fabulous, and thank you so much for your great support for my previous videos. And if you guys haven't seen it yet, please do check them out. So today I am gonna show you guys how to prepare chili chicken in very simple steps. So let's go take a look. So how easy was that? So you all gotta try it out and let me know what you think about it. So if you did like this video, please like, subscribe and comment. Love you all, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog.